What's the meaning of agogo? Agogo. 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 Agogo is a term with African roots that originally referred to a pair of bells used in traditional music. Over time, it has come to refer to a type of handheld percussion instrument that produces a high-pitched, bell-like sound. The agogo is played by striking one or both of its bells with a wooden stick or beater. Its distinctive sound is often used in various types of music, including samba, jazz, and Afro-Cuban styles. Overall, the agogo is a versatile and unique instrument with a rich cultural history and widespread appeal.